The dust collector interface is a sensor suite for dust collectors. When combined with VFDs, it becomes the dust collector controller. Let's go over the inputs available when setting up a dust collector controller. This output on the right is the Modbus RTU connection for the VFDs, which control the dust collector's subsystems, such as the airlock, transport air fan, transport fan, rotating arm, or cleaning pump, whatever the collector requires. This connection allows us to monitor key values for each motor, including voltage, current, power, and frequency. These are closely monitored, and if a reading drops unexpectedly, the system immediately generates an error or warning. For example, it could alert you that the airlock has stopped rotating. Under digital inputs, you can connect up to 4 industry-standard sensors. The bottom right is for the status lights. Above that is the input for manual start and stop of the dust collector. These 4 outputs at the bottom are dry contacts, which let you operate additional equipment. Finally, the 3 inputs on the left are for industrial 4 to 20 milliamp analog sensors, ideal for applications such as motor and fan vibration monitoring, hopper levels, container sawdust levels, and vacuum pump pressure. There's also a small screen that displays values and is used during system setup. However, once installed, the complete dust collector status is displayed beautifully on the greenBOX user interface, or accessed remotely from any device.